Okay, so let's check out Suman's current feelings. Okay, so English and Hindi both. Okay, the first in English. Okay, these people, they don't seem to be too very happy now. Okay, in fact they are looking actually very sad, maybe thinking a lot. Okay, um, maybe they are missing each other so much that they are not able to sleep also at nights. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, the reason being their egos, I think. Okay, there may be somebody, some senior person, maybe from the family, or somebody who they feel, um, who takes some decisions of their lives, might have, you know, advised them to stay in discipline, and also to be to be honest with their feelings, maybe honest with their feelings, or honest uh, with the way they feel for each other, maybe, I don't know. Hermit, the hermit, though, these people are actually not very happy now. I think they may have, actually there may be, or maybe if these people, they acted like king of swords, so they might have spoken to each other in such a manner that they might have hurt each other. Maybe they have been very, maybe very, what to say, when they were talking to each other, I this is what I get, when they were talking to each other, maybe they spoke in such a manner that they hurt each other. This is what I get. And now they are like kind of regretting also about it, and they're feeling that they shouldn't have done that. This is what I get. So they are feeling lonely also now at the same time. Two of Wands, so waiting for something to happen. Okay, so all the negativity between them, or the kind of talks which they had with each other, I think they just want to put an end to that. That means, I mean, their behavior with each other was very rude, or very shrewd, or very rough. This is what I get. So they're feeling bad about that, and they want to put an end to such kind of behavior. That means um, they will not like to repeat this kind of a behavior with each other, with the hermit and the ten of wands. This is what I get. So they don't want to repeat this mistake, and they also don't want to make any new mistake in future. This is what I get. So they are just looking for some opportunity wherein, at least, again, if they get some opportunity wherein they can meet or talk to each other, then they will definitely mend their ways and try to seek that they, when they are talking to each other, or when they are together, they are not harsh with each other. This is what I get. Yes, they're looking for reconciliation. Yes. So I think if they just mend their ways, and if and also if they improve the way they talk to each other, that means they may be very harsh, or they may be very disrespectful towards each other. So when they are alone and all, they realize, okay, this was something wrong, or something like that, I think. So that is the reason this judgment card has come. So they have realized their mistake, and they don't want to repeat their mistake. At the same time, they don't want to commit any new mistake, and they don't want to be egoist. They don't want to be disrespectful towards each other, because they are repenting about their behavior, and they are looking for some opportunity wherein they can explain their point to each other, and also make sure, and make them realize that they are not going to be this way with each other. This is what I get. तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि इनका जो, इन लोगों ने एक दूसरे को शायद बहुत बुरा बुरा बोला है, क्योंकि अकेला फील कर रहे हैं, और ईगो की वजह से इन्होंने जो एक दूसरे को बुरी बुरी बातें बोल दी, जैसे हार्श हो जाते हैं आप, फिर डिसरिस्पेक्टफुली बात कर देते हैं, बहुत ब्लंटली बात कर देते हैं, तो फिर बाद में आप पछताते हो, तो वैसी वाली फीलिंग आ रही है इनको। तो इन्हें ऐसा लग रहा है कि इन्हें ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए था, और ये चाह रहे हैं कि ये जो इनका बिहेवियर जो एक दूसरे के साथ रहा, हार्श या बुरा या डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल, वो अब नहीं होगा आगे से। ऐसा ये जैसे अपने आप से प्रॉमिस कर रहे हैं, या एक दूसरे को प्रॉमिस करेंगे अगर मिलते हैं दोबारा से, क्योंकि ये रुके हुए हैं कि एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल जाए तो शायद बोल दे आपस में। अब की बार जब बात करेंगे एक दूसरे से, तो फिर ध्यान रखेंगे इस बात का कि वो ऐसे डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल नहीं है, एक दूसरे को हार्श वर्ड्स बोल के हर्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं, ईगो को सामने नहीं ला रहे हैं। मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है, क्योंकि ये कार्ड आया उसी से समझ में आ रहा है कि ये पछता रहे हैं। तो ये जो इनका बिहेवियर जो है, जो अच्छा नहीं है एक दूसरे के साथ, उसकी एंडिंग करना चाहते हैं ये भी, और एक मुलाकात की इनको ख्वाहिश है, और शायद एक दूसरे को सॉरी भी बोल सकते हैं। तो ऐसी इनकी फीलिंग है अभी, और बहुत अच्छी है। अच्छा है ना, तो जब साथ में होते तो होती है ऐसी सारी बातें, है ना। व्हेन यू आर टुगेदर, व्हेन यू स्पेंड सच a lot of time with each other and you have such strong feelings for each other, it's quite obvious that at times you will become harsh with each other, which is very normal and natural also. But the best part is when you realize your mistake, and when you know that this has been wrong, and you are even ready to apologize to each other at the same time. Try to see that you don't repeat such things, है ना। तो this is the best thing about them. So I wish them all the best, and bye bye. Like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet.